The foundation stone for MAPSA bus stand project should be laid on my father's birthday, says MAPSA MLA Joshua D'Souza as a tribute to his late father, MAPSA's former MLA Francis D'Souza. He questioned Transport Minister Maureen Godino about the 5-year-long pending MAPSA bus stand project, to which Maureen Godino cited practical difficulties but has vowed to have a complex at MAPSA bus stand with various amenities in less than 3 years, as a tribute to former MAPSA MLA Francis D'Souza. With a budget of Rs 210 crores, Aldona MLA Glenn Tickler has asked the Transport Minister to allot parking spaces at the MAPSA bus stand due to extreme congestion in the market area caused by parking.
हो म्हापशेचो बस स्टँड जो आसा तो म्हाका दिसता फाटली 5 वर्सां तरी पेंडिंग आसा ना पूण ते माती बीन घालून थंय काम जे सुरू जाला it has been the land filling has been done and it has been left like that. So there is a lot of hardships that the people of MAPSA face on a daily basis due to all the inconvenience that is caused because of the bus stand that is long awaiting. The Honorable Minister has given an answer, but the answer lacks a little clarity on when we can start or the work can be commissioned. The constant, I'm being questioned on a daily basis as to what is happening about the bus stand by the people from my constituency. As it was a promise made to them during my election campaign, as well as the previous election in 2017, it was a promise made to the people of MAPSA that the bus stand will be one of the most prioritized works that will take place. The Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, has also campaigned with me during the election, and तेणेनूय सांगलेलें आसा की लोकांक की बस स्टँड प्रायोरिटीचेर घेतलो म्हणून. And I have been following constantly with the department, with the Honorable Minister regarding the same. He has newly taken over the Department of Transport, so I really hope that this thing is going to be taken up on priority, because day in and day out I'm being asked as to when. They want a clear date, and I am unable to give them a date because I have not got a clear answer as to when it can start. So if the Honorable Minister can give me more clarity in terms of how many months it will take or how many days it will take, because if we can have the foundation stone laid by the 4th of October, which happens to be my late father's birthday, he was the ex-Deputy Chief Minister of Goa, it would be a good way to start off this project. So if the Honorable Minister could assure me that we can have some clarity, and if at all the foundation stone can be laid by the 4th of October, I can get back to the people of MAPSA and tell them that we have some direction on the same.
Speaker sir, हो project जाता तितले बेगीन येवपाकूच जाय, आनी म्हाका दिसता आमचे माननीय मुखेलमंत्र्याकूय खबर आसा, तेणी कॅम्पेन केल्ले तो सारकें सांगता खंयचे प्रोजेक्ट बेगीन येवपा जाय ते. आतां हे प्रोजेक्टाक लागून आमी कितले सिरियस आसा ते you can judge from the fact that Rahul Deshpande extension as the consultant, taka extension dile jatle. Very shortly the file has come to me, it will be cleared. Dusre PDA approval has been obtained, and dusre construction license we have already applied in MAPSA Municipal Council. We have also part license fee also has been paid. So once we have moved this far, I think in fact we can lay the foundation stone before October also. But if you want it to be done on 4th October, we'll do it on 4th October. We'll certainly keep everything ready, and we'll kick start this project. कित्याक हें फक्त म्हापशेकारांकूय न्हू, आख्खे बार्देसकारांक हें बस स्टँड लागता. तेजे म्हापसा कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीच लागना, आनी आमी आख्खे सबंद गोंयान हे भाशेन इम्प्रुवमेंट हाडटले, सगळ्यांक दिसतले.